Hello friends, this is Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the day 13th of September 2022. For the past few days, if you were to observe, Nifty had been heavily consolidating on the sidelines of 17,400 on the downside and 17,800 on the upside. Even in this particular phase of consolidation, Nifty, we had seen that the volumes were picking up uh, favoring the bullish side rather than on the bearish side. Though we had huge spikes down, those were hardly lived, and we started moving up with higher volumes on the upside, giving us an impression that Nifty continued to march higher, despite the fact that even if there are bad news from the global markets, it continued to move higher and higher. Now we are at another major resistance of 18,000. Now we need to take out to this particular 18,000 for a next move on the higher side. If we fail to take out 18,000 on closing basis either today or tomorrow, then the chances for the bearishness will again creep in. However, one thing we need to observe that even if we say bearishness, it's not going to be a straight correction down because the market participant sentiments are very bearish, and everyone is anticipating for a huge downside in the Indian markets. And we have a huge pile of cash sitting on the sidelines for the market to correct and to get in. So high chances are that we will be looking at, even if we fail to take out 18,000 on closing basis, we will be high chances that we will be looking at for a sideways correction rather than a sharp correction. So, mm, uh, considering the fact that the FII flows and this phase of sideways move wherein it was supported for the bullish side, we we hardly going to get a sharp correction in Indian market, especially in this particular series of September. And let us see how things will shape up. There are high chances as I speak. There are high chances that 18,000 will be taken off either Tuesday or Wednesday. There are high chances, despite the fact that uh, the inflation numbers stand elevated for the third quarter in Indian economy, and and despite that particular fact, we are looking at for a bullish opening and continuation of the bullish side, where we are expecting to take out the major resistance of 18% on the upside in March towards new highs. This is what we are anticipating with regards to the trades for Tuesday. However, we might overreact to the US inflation numbers that are out to do for post today's market closing in Indian time. So we might overreact to the US inflation numbers that will come in late Tuesday night on Wednesday session. So we need to be mindful about the numbers that we due from the global scenario. With regards to the bank Nifty is concerned, it is clearly moving up. Again, we had a kind of consolidation, but breakout has happened with regards to the bank Nifty quite earlier. Though we need to watch out for the Nifty action, because if you were to look at it, though Nifty has not taken out 18,000 and made a new high for this particular entire leg upside, we had seen new highs happening in Bank Nifty, Mid Cap 50, and Small Cap 50. So basically, the all round buying was witnessed. across the broader market. It's only the Nifty indices which needs to be taken out on the resistance 18,000. That is what we are watching out for today's particular session. We'll keep you posted once we get an entry on the long side where we are expecting 18,000 as the barrier for the next long side entry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll try to post the update as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.